Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you people are doing good. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox and review my Adidas Clean WO walking shoes for women. And I bought this from Flipkart. Let me unbox this first. And you can see the price here, it's like 2,499 bucks, but I got this for 1,499 on Flipkart. And here goes my shoe. You can see the color is with the green and grey mixture, and here the sole material which is made up of rubber. As you can see guys, the closure is of lace and the pattern is of mesh kind, and it's occasionally for sports, and this specially for a woman, and it's of leather type of Napa, and the tanning process of this which is made up of synthetic, and this is how it looks. And the material is too good. I've been using this for my walking and all. I think this is the best in market, and it's not a duplicate, it's from proper Adidas. And guys, if you want to buy this product, I'll share the link in the description. You can go and check it out once. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up and please do subscribe to my channel. Thank you.